So currently I'm doing a bar swap. These are the old bars. Here's the new bars. Different steering stem installed. When I took the brakes off this, they just fell to the ground, and then the pieces were like all over, so I didn't even know how the pieces were supposed to go. This is called a mounting clamp for the brake lever that clamps to the bar and then holds the lever on there. And this piece, you gotta make sure it's not on backwards. Because I had it on like this, and then someone showed me that piece was on backwards. It's supposed to go this way. So that when the screw goes in there, it actually screws in. Maybe it doesn't screw in the other way, I'm not sure. But I guess it sits on the handlebars better this way. And then once I get that on there, I'm going to get it on the handlebar and show you guys how to install the mounting clamp back on to the lever. See, there's a screw in there. And then screws right there. That's the tricky part, is getting a screwdriver in there, getting the screw to actually line up to the mount. So first thing you want to do, make sure you get this piece on there on your little clamp, just like so. Then you're going to want to slide it on the bar, and this will make things easier so that when you're pushing on this, the bar is actually holding it in place and it won't just fall out. Now you just put it, line the screw up to the hole you're trying to go into. You're gonna have to look inside here to see what's going on, and kind of move the levers like up and down until you see it going into the hole, and then take your screwdriver and just start screwing it in there. As you can see, it's on there. It's on the mounting clamp now. Now I just have to align it and adjust it to exactly where I want so that it's straight, and then tighten it up and it'll be good. So now I've got it on there as straight as I can, and you can see the screw right there. That's what you have to screw down to get it to the clamp, which is holding on to the bars. And see, it's not gonna move now. So that when I wrap the bar wrap around the bar, it's gonna really make it like secure, not to slide anywhere.